Morning students, as in previous video I taught you present tense. Today I will teach you past tense. Today I will teach you past tense. Students, just as present tense has 4 kinds, in the same way past tense has also 4 kinds. First is simple past. Simple past, it is also known as past indefinite tense. Simple past is first kind of past tense. Today we will discuss over simple past. Students, past tense has been divided into 4 parts, 4 kinds. First is past tense is divided into 4 kinds, 4 parts. First is simple past. Simple past is also known as past indefinite tense. And students, in this tense, helping verb is did. Only one helping verb is here, and it is used for all kinds of subjects, whether subject is singular, plural, I or E. Only one helping verb did is there. It is used for all kinds of subjects. Second thing, but student, did is used as helping verb in negative and interrogative sentence. It is not used in positive sentence. This helping verb did is not used in positive sentence, but it is used in negative and interrogative only. Second thing, in this tense, students, the form of main verb, if the sentence is positive, in this case verb second form is used, and if the sentence is negative and interrogative, then verb first form is used. You have to keep in your mind that in positive sentence of simple past, verb second form is used, and in negative and interrogative sentence of simple past, first form of the verb is used. This should learn. Now let's see the rule of positive sentence. Write down all of you the rule of positive sentence of simple past. Positive sentence rule is subject plus verb second form plus object. This is the rule. Subject plus verb second form, then object. Very short rule here. Example you can take. He wrote his letter. See this sentence. He wrote a letter. According to rule, subject is he. Second form wrote, right? Wrote is second form. Then object a letter. So this sentence belongs to simple past. One more example you can give. They helped us. They helped us. They subject, help the second form of verb help, and us object. So it is simple past, positive. Now students, write the rule of negative sentence. Negative sentence. Write down the rule of negative sentence. The rule of negative sentence is, first of all, subject is written, then did not is written, did is written, then not, then verb first form, then object. This is the rule. First of all, subject is written, then did, then not, then verb first form, then object. object. Example you can take. Example, first example, we did not play cricket. We did not play cricket. We subject, then did has been used, then not, then play first form of the word, then object. One more example you can take. She did not take tea. This is a sentence of simple past. She did not take tea. First of all, subject C has been written, then did helping verb, just here written, then not word, then our first form take, then object he. It is the rule of negative sentence of simple past. Now students, write down the rule of interrogative sentence. Interrogative. 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 As earlier also I have taught you that interrogative sentences are of two types. Starting with question word or starting with helping word. The two rules are there. Write down rule first. If the sentence starts with helping word, this rule is followed. Rule first is helping word first of all will be written did, then subject, then verb first part, then object, then question mark. This is the rule. If the sentence starts with helping word, first of all did is written, then did is helping word, then subject is written, then verb first part, then object, then question mark is written. Now you can take example. Did you help her? Did you help her? This is the interrogative sentence of simple past starting with helping verb. Because did is the helping verb of simple past. Did at first did has been written, then subject you, then verb first form help, then object her has been written. Second example can take. Did they win the match? Did they win the match? Question. Did they win the match? It is also interrogative sentence of simple past starting with helping verb. Now write down the second rule of interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence second rule write down. Interrogative sentence second rule. Rule second is this rule belongs to the second type of interrogative sentence starting with question word. First of all, question word plus did plus subject plus verb first part plus object plus question mark. This is the rule. If the sentence starts with question word, first of all question word is written, then did, then subject, then verb first part, then object, then question mark is written. Now you can take the example. where did he kept, where did he keep, kept not, where did he keep his book, where did he keep his book. Sentence is where did he keep his book. According to rule, first of all question was where, then did, then subject he, then verb first form keep, then object is book. One more example you can take. When did you take tea? When did you take tea? It is also second type of interrogative sentence of simple past. He started with question word. But students, there is exception of this rule. There is exception of this rule. Exception is if the sentence starts with who. This is the exception. In all kinds of interrogative sentence starting with question word like where, when, what, how many, how long, etc. If the sentence starts with except these, if the sentence starts with who, so other rule is followed. Rule third. If the sentence starts with who, then that is exception. Then this rule will not be applied. In this rule is applied. What rule is that? Who plus verb second form plus object plus question mark. This is the rule. So students, you should keep this rule in your mind that if the sentence starts with who, so then this rule will be followed. First of all who, then verb second form, then object, then question mark. In this type of sentence, did is not used. Example: who broke the chair? Who broke the chair? Who broke the chair? This sentence has started with who and with two words, but this rule will not be followed. For this, as it has been started with who, so this rule third, this rule will be followed. First of all who, then verb second form broken, then object the chair. One more example we will take. Who got the first prize? Who got the first prize? Who, as this sentence has started with who, then this rule will follow. First of all who is written, then second form got then object the first prize. In this way, students, today we have studied the first kind of past tense, that is simple past. This simple past is also known as past indefinite tense. And I have told you in this tense the helping verb is did, and it is negative sentence only. Did is not used in positive sentence. I have told you the rule of positive sentence, the rule of negative sentence, and the rule of interrogative sentence. You have to write these rules in your pair copy and you have to send to me. Only you have to keep in your mind that all rules you have to learn. Further I will teach you next day. Thank you.